Hey guys, we received this mygreen electronics organizer or the electronic accessories for test and try. It's a double layer travel cable organizer with a code storage bag. So power bank, USB flash drive, anything you can store in this. So this is the dark blue color and you can see all the photos and stuff. So this is actually in the two chamber, as you can see, a top chamber and the lower chamber. So this comes with a handle too, so it's easy to carry. So let's open the chamber here. So here you can see have this elastic things to store in the cables, like you can see in the corner. And then you can also use this zipper to store your memory card, flash drives, or anything that you don't want to lose. And it's easily to then close. And also in the lower chamber is little bigger, and you can use this sectional things inside to mark that. So you can use this sectional one, and its total size is around 9 inches in length and 6.3 in width. And you can also adjust these to put in your stuff. So you can easily tie up the cables and put in here. So a mesh is ziploc just to store in your flash drive, power bank, or anything that you can easily see and then store. So you can use it in any other way that you want to, and you can stick this to make the partition. So very nice pouch to carry over your electronics, cables and everything on a travel, and a solid pouch.